Alright, so welcome back to another video. Built by Miller, doing some work on the Supra today. What I'm trying to do is I'm going to do an oil change. I'll probably do a 1-year review on some plus and some minuses of daily driving and living with the Supra, as well as I'm going to finally install the carbon fiber lip that I have, the AIMGAIN replica that I got from AUDOID. So let me show you the oil change kit. I'm going to be running liquid moly 5W30, and I also have a Hank's oil filter right here. I'm pretty sure, I think I got this from ECS. Yeah, I got this from ECS. So we got all this stuff to do this oil change, and I'm only at, I think I'm at 5,000 miles. Don't know why I have two of these. I'm only at 5,000 miles, but we're going to go ahead and do the oil change anyways. I did one at 500. 5,000 is my next mile marker, and then I think after that I'll let Toyota do the 10,000 one that's included in the Toyota Care. So here's everything. Got the crush washer right there in the O-ring, ready to knock that out. So as you can see, you got the oil changed. I haven't checked the oil level yet, but I'm gonna do that next once I lower the car. And I got the front lip put on. I'll show it to you real quick. Fitment came out pretty good. I would say like 8 or 9 out of 10. I will say that the installation though was kind of a pain in the butt. The only reason why I say it was kind of difficult was because this part right here, where the lip is, the bolts that go in here, they were far back, so I had to kind of like force the lip forward to get those bolts in. But, you know, still fits really good. I think for if you're doing this, I would just recommend maybe switching that tape out with some thicker tape. It seems to be holding pretty good. I did add a bracket. I'll show you real quick. So looking underneath this thing, you have to drill the holes out to get the factory screws and little plastic rivets in, but I added towards the end, I'm not sure if you can see me making it in the time lapse, but I just added a bracket here. So I think they want you to use a self tapper or something just to screw the whole thing in together. I didn't want to do that, so what I did was I made an aluminum bracket that bolted here and then went to this bolt and kind of holds all this stuff, you know, in place, holds all the side pieces in nice and tight so they don't wiggle or make that weird creaking noise. So overall, I think it came out pretty good. It was just a little bit of a pain in the butt to install. So all you really got to do is take these bolts out and then take these little rivets out. You just I just wedged something in both sides and slid it like the top, this piece down. And then once you get it down about like 4 or 5 millimeters, then you just tug on the whole thing and it slides out. Hopefully that makes sense. All right, so now I'm gonna wash the car and then I'll show you some photos of what it looks like lowered and washed up. Hopefully you like this install video. Again, this lip came from AUDOID. It's the AIMGAIN replica. I would recommend this. You know, it seems to be pretty good. We'll see how it holds up over time, see if it turns yellow or anything like that. I did not clear it even though I wanted to. And I don't know when I'll install the side skirts in the rear spats, but I probably need to figure out how I'm gonna get underneath the car whenever I need to. So I probably won't do those till I either have some kind of ramp or air suspension. But anyways, hopefully you like this video. Hopefully it's helpful to you if you're trying to install this lip. Make sure you subscribe and check out my other stuff.